Read along as I read the test aloud. Listen to each question. You may stop this video and re-listen to any question over again. You may always use a bilingual dictionary. Make sure that you have used your blank sheet of paper to draw out your moon wheel from memory. If you haven't done that yet, pause the video and do that before continuing on to the test questions. First, fill out your first and last name. First question. The word waning is used to describe several moon phases during a month. What is a good synonym for the word waning? Remember, synonym means the same. Growing or increasing, shrinking or decreasing, changing, glowing or illuminated. Next question. This illustration best represents the word waxing, waning, rotation, or revolution. Next question. How long does it take for the moon to make one complete trip around the Earth? About 7 days, about 2 weeks, about 4 weeks, about 1 year. Next question. What moon phase is shown in the picture? Your answer choices. First quarter, waning gibbous, let me read the choices again. First quarter, waxing gibbous, waning crescent, waning gibbous. Next question. The diagram below shows the orbit of the moon around the Earth. At which point in the moon's orbit will a person standing on Earth see a waxing crescent moon? Your answer choices. Position A, position 1, position 2, position 3, or position 4. Next question. In which location would the moon be in a waning crescent phase? Your answer choices. Position Q, position R, position S, or position W. Next question. What phase would immediately precede, which means come before, so right before, a waning gibbous moon? Your answer choices. First quarter, third quarter, full moon, waxing crescent. Next question. Alma recorded the phases of the moon in her science journal over a period of 4 weeks. On the 21st day, the moon was at position X. What moon phase would be observed 1 week later? Your answer choices. Waxing crescent, waning crescent, first quarter, third quarter. Remember that you can stop the video to consult with your moon wheel or to look at the questions picture more carefully if you need to. Start the video again when you're ready to move on. Next question. Students used records from the U.S. Naval Observatory to make the table below of the percent of the moon that was visible on each night in January 2011. Based on this data, what part of the lunar cycle occurred between January 5th and January 7th? So look carefully at the table for the dates 5th, 6th, and 7th. Your answer choices. Waxing crescent, waning crescent, full moon, or new moon. Next question. What moon phase is this? First quarter, waxing gibbous, waning gibbous, waxing crescent. Next question. Ralph is going night fishing at the Texas coast. He wants to make sure he's at the beach when the moon is full. Last night, he went outside to look at the moon phase, and it was last quarter. When should Ralph take his trip so that he has a full moon? in approximately 1 week, in approximately 2 weeks, in approximately 3 weeks, or in approximately 4 weeks. Remember to refer to the moon wheel that you drew on your scratch paper at the beginning of the test. Next question. What moon phase is 2 weeks after first quarter? Your answer choices: full moon, waning gibbous, waxing gibbous, third quarter. Next question. Find the moon phase labeled with the number 1. Which position is 9 days later? Your answer choices: position 4, position 3, position 6, or position 2. Next question. Which of the following diagrams illustrates or shows the position of the sun and earth on the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere? So now you're thinking about seasons. Your answer choices: option 1, option 2, option 3, or option 4. Looking at the next question. A student shows a model of the earth and the moon to a class. Which picture shows how the moon appears from earth when it's the position shown in this model? Your answer choices: option 1, waxing gibbous, option 2, waning crescent, option 3, waning gibbous, or option 4, waxing crescent. Next question. Nick is putting his daughter Layla to sleep. When they are finished reading, Layla asks why the sun left the sky and turned it dark. What is the best explanation for why the sky is now dark when Layla goes to bed? Your answer choices: the part of the earth they are living on has now rotated away from the sun. The part of the earth they are living on has now rotated towards the sun. The part of the earth they are living on is tilted away from the sun, or the part of the earth they are living on is tilted towards the sun. Next question. The image below depicts or shows the Earth's orbit around the sun. Which position represents winter in the northern hemisphere? So look at that image carefully. You can draw it out on your scratch paper and label the seasons starting with summer. Your answer choices: position 1, position 2, position 3, or position 4. Next question. On Earth, what is the cause of day and night? Your answer choices: the rotation of the moon, the rotation of the Earth on its axis, the Earth orbiting the sun, or the revolution of the Earth around the sun. Next question. Which of the following best describes the days and nights shown in the diagram? Your answer choices: the northern hemisphere is having days that last longer than the nights. The southern hemisphere is having days that last longer than the nights. Both hemispheres are having nights and days that last the same amount of time, or both hemispheres are having days that last longer than the nights. Your final question. How long does it take for the Earth to move from point A to point C? 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months? You've now answered all of the questions. If you need to go back and re-listen to any questions, you may, or if you need to go back and look at any diagrams, you can. When you are done, please submit your questions, and then you may work on completing any missing assignments that you have. You can refer back to Google Classroom if you're not sure what you're missing.